Hello good guys, we are back again to continue from where we left. It's been a while since we created a new video, but you understand we have to cover a lot of content in a while. So we left at the paragraph section and we were working with bullets, numbering and all that. But today we are going to, we're not going to waste time, so we are going straight to learn alignment, indentation, line spacing and other remaining features under the paragraph subsection. So I'll start right away with alignment, but I'll define first of all what it is by alignment. So I'll define alignment by this simple definition. Alignment refers to how you align your text with respect to the margins of the page. So you structure your text or paragraphs with respect to the left and the right margins. So what you do is understand that the left margin and the right margin, those are the two critical margins that you'll need to know when it comes to alignment. So most of our alignment we shall be doing it with reference to the left and the right margin. So this brings us to understanding that there are two types of alignment. Not two types, there are actually four types of alignment. And that is left alignment, center alignment, right alignment, and justified alignment. By left alignment we mean that words are actually aligned in the text or paragraph is actually aligned on the left margin. We have this aspect of center alignment. Center alignment basically means centering your content on the page. So we will practically do that so that you can see what center alignment means. And then we have right alignment. That means text is aligned to the right margin. Then we have justified alignment. Justified alignment here, actually it involves distributing the text evenly across both margins. So let us do that practically and understand what we mean by left alignment, and I'll do that with this text. So when I click there, then definitely you'll see this is left alignment. That's what we call left alignment, and mostly it's used when working with the body text or working with paragraphs. So when you're working with paragraphs, you'll mostly use left alignment. So the next thing is center alignment. Center alignment means that you're trying to center your content with respect to the page margins, but that is mostly used when working with titles or cover pages and all that. You'll realize that titles need some specific way of formatting, so you have to center align them. For example, I can center align this we are learning Microsoft Office Word title because it's one of the unique titles in this document. So to simply center align, you have to highlight the text or the title and press Ctrl E, or simply go there and go right to there and press double click or single click, then it will automatically align itself to the center. Then we have right alignment, that we say that words are aligned, lie on the straight line on the right margin. So this is the left margin, this is the right margin. So to do that, you simply press Ctrl and R. It will right align your content or your paragraph. Ensure that words to your right margin lie on the straight line. So you'll understand that with right alignment, this is mostly used for small sections of content such as text, header, or footer. So maybe you have a header at the top here and you want it to appear to the right hand side of the page, then you have to left align it, to right align it. Then we have unjustified alignment. we said we justified alignment text on both margins lie on the same line. So you will simply press Ctrl J after highlighting your text, or just head straight to here and click that, and you can see content is already justified. And this one is usually used when you want to make your document look more crispy. So that's all about alignment, and we shall go straight into line spacing. Line spacing allows you to choose a space that appears between two lines of text or between paragraphs. So you want to have bigger or smaller spaces between lines in your paragraphs, or you have to go to line and paragraph spacing. So you'll realize that there are lengths provided for each set of spacing. You can choose 1, you can choose 2, you can choose 2.5 and all that. So you just click there, and you can see we have a spacing of 1, a space of 1 between the lines 2, 3. Then you can also go further and choose extra line spacing options. You can define indentation, whether you want your paragraph to be justified, left or centered or right. Then you outline the level of that text. You can also choose indentation and all that. This is how you just add the space between lines in your paragraphs. Then you can also choose to add space before paragraph. If you want to add some space before your paragraphs, or remove space after paragraph, you simply do that. Because let me do an illustration here. So you can add a space. You can see it has automatically adjusted. So you can add a space, then you can also remove it. So that's all about line and spacing options, lines and paragraph spacing options. Then we have indentation. Indentation actually means how close your text is with respect to the margin. Usually it's mostly the left margin, the closeness of your text with respect to the, let me say, left margin. So you can easily increase and decrease indentation through these two features. So this one is for decreasing the indentation, and this one for increasing the indentation. So I can easily increase indentation for that. So we are indenting, I think, by 2 steps. I'll not talk more about that. So I'll head straight to shading. You can shade your text to easily highlight it or identify it, but mostly shading is useful when you want information to jump off the page. So what you do, you simply highlight the content and choose a specific color of how you want your content to be shaded. So that's how you actually do shading. So you highlight the content, and see, you can choose a color for that. Then you can still choose a color for that. Okay, see, different color makes your content look specific parts of the content look unique and familiar. You can also add borders. This allows you to add remove borders from your selection. So to add borders or include borders in your selections, you simply select content you want to add borders. Then you choose the option whether you want to add a bottom border. Click option that gives you a bottom border. Then automatically a bottom border will appear. Then a top border, left border, right border. If you don't want a border at all, choose no border. If you want all borders that surround each text, then outside borders and all that. So many options provided, and that when you find time you can check on that. So I'll choose that option of all borders. That one allows you to border your text everywhere. and you can make it even more unique by giving specific colors to each row. Okay, you can make it more unique by giving specific colors to each row. Right, you can see how it makes your content look better and easily identifiable. So if you want to have a key thing that you want to easily identify within your text, then you can easily use the shading option. Then you can also sort the current selections in alphabetical or numerical order. So for example, let me select here. I'm selecting the list of fruits. Then we want to I want to sort them with respect to text in ascending order. So you can see automatically it starts with A, F, mangoes, that way. I can also highlight it and sort the text in ascending order. So I'll go straight to that and click field 1, and the option you choose is text, because what we are working with in this bordered text, bordered elements is actually text. So that's why we are choosing text here. So you can also choose that to appear in descending order. So you can see it has automatically changed to start with the vehicle models and all that. Okay, so that is it with sorting. So we'll head straight into the style section and complete with editing, so that we can quickly look at the insert section, then head to the design section, because when we complete home section and insert section, then automatically we won't have a heavy time working on so many videos under design, layout, references, mailings, review and view, because those sections have a few elements to cover. So I'll complete it there. So remember to like and subscribe as we await our next video that will cover the styling section as well as the editing section. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this video.